Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to For the Love of Running. Now look, normally with these videos I do a bit of an intro, do the run, do a bit of an outro, but I'm going to do the two intros and outros as one. The reason is I have just finished the park run we are at, and basically there's probably some things you need to know. So this morning I'm coming to you from Nantu Wama park run in North Adelaide. It's a brand new park run. This is only its second week. The first week was last week when we were actually away in Narracor. So yeah, and this is the last park run we're going to do. So officially, as of now, Kelly and I, we're both states people. We've done all the park runs in the state. It's a good reason to celebrate. Now, first of all, when I got to this course, I thought you were going to be running along this here. It turns out that's the bridle course for the horses, so it's not for us people to run on. So basically, we run on a mix of bitumen, and there's some trail down that way that you're going to be running on. There's some sort of tree stumps that are sort of growing out of the ground. Just be careful not to trip over them. It's a little bit of a slippery course. It's a little bit of, yeah, a little bit of mix of road and trail really. It's a good course though, but also you've got right here a nice hill, which is brilliant at the start. Not so much at the end, so don't cook yourself because that hill can take it out of you. Yeah, I had a really good run here. The course is pretty much a straight out and back. I'll put the map up here as per usual. But yeah, we had an absolute blast. Kelly and I have now done all the park runs in South Australia and we have absolutely loved it. Big thank you to everyone that makes every park run possible. Big thank you to the Nantu Wama volunteers. You guys were great. Absolutely, thank you so much for the shout out right before the run. A lot of people were very friendly out there, waving at the camera, getting amongst it, so I really appreciate all the support. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. But anyway, let's get on with showing you guys what the run was all about.
I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again, but life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go.
Alright, have a great run everyone!
Look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, 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 to better times. Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, 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 to better times. I look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me, nothing can stop me in the night. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff. Go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better times, to
friends on the way, people chosen to make a stand. I felt strong in the sun as I walked onto pastures green. Saw forgiveness together as spaces in between. And I'll be with you through the night. And I'll turn every wrong to right.
No.
Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free. Honey, we're not like the others, no reason to be. And my ventures, they brought me to places I've never been. But you can walk through this world without a few punches upon your chin. I think I lost you somewhere, but
I noticed I did get stuck on the way back, but then I'd forgotten.
But I still hold you dear despite the heartbreak you caused in me.